TSF once again went to meet with the Secretary of TBSE on Wednesday demanding to change the Madhyamik Kokborok question paper in Roman script. Former GS of TSF John Deverma was present. Once again, TSF went to TBSE office to meet with the board secretary demanding to change the Kokborok question paper in Roman script. Former GS of TSF John Deverma and others were present. During the interaction with the media, former GS of TSF John Deverma said that in the year 2022, a memorandum was submitted to Tripura Board of Secondary Education for Roman script of Kokborok subject. But till now, no action has been taken. Same as the memorandum was also submitted to the Chief Minister of Tripura. And as a result, Chief Minister replied that there is no such enforcement from TBSE that the students should write in Bengali script. It is the will of the students and they can write in whatever script they prefer.
So, as you well know, every one of you, all the students, all the Tripura knows that the demand for Roman script, which we call Roman script, it has been adopted by the indigenous people of Tripura as our own script. You see the numbers of students, it is increasing day by day. Today, the reason we came here in Tripura Board is we have submitted a memorandum to the Tripura Board in 2022 to print the question paper in Roman script. We met the secretary has no answer. He asked us to meet the president tomorrow. We also told to the secretary that it is Tripura Board who is responsible. They are imposing one particular script on the indigenous people, on the students. Students are not in favor of Bengali or Devanagari. Students are all in favor of Roman script. So how can you impose? We have asked the secretary, he has no reply to that. That's why we want to tell the student, it is the choice, it is the will of the student. In which script you want to write your question paper, it is up to you. It is not in the hands of Tripura Board, it is not in the hands of the government. The government has no decision, no policy on the script issues of Kokborok. So it is the Tripura Board is illegally printing the question paper in Bengali script, which is totally illegal. They cannot do that. When you can print for low-size subject in Roman script, why not Kokborok? Why there is so much of discrimination in regards to Kokborok subject? When you can print question paper for Pali language in Roman script, why can't you for Kokborok? It is fully discrimination against the Kokborok subject. We have seen. That is why we are asking to the Tripura Board to print the question paper in Roman script, since it is the people's demand. It is not only my demand. It is the people's demand. It is the students' demand. It is the students who is wanting to write Kokborok in Roman script. It is not one single person, but it is 99% of the students who wanted to write in Roman script for Kokborok. So, the Tripura Board cannot be a dictator. They cannot impose on the students what student is not willing. The Tripura Board doesn't have the right to impose one script. The government also doesn't have any rights to impose on the matter of language when the student is not willing to use other script than Roman script. So we are asking the student, it is your will, it is your choice. It is up to you what you decide. Which script will you use? It is their choice. The Tripura Board cannot decide for you. It is we who will decide. This is my message to all the students. We are with you. Use whatever you want. Nobody can force you. Nobody can impose you. You have the liberty. We are in a democratic country. We must know our rights. That's why we'll be meeting the president tomorrow once again, as the secretary asks us to meet the president. We'll be meeting to the president tomorrow. Thank you.
He further said that all the students are willing to write in Roman script and TBSE cannot be a dictator and they cannot impose on students to write in any script which the student did not prefer. Former GS of TSF John Debarma also said that they will be meeting with the president of TBSE again on Thursday. Reported by Shalsang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.